Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elle Kolb and today I'm so excited to film this video. I'm going to be telling you guys how to look like a baddie on a budget. My main reason for making this video is because everyone wants to look good, everyone wants to feel great, they want to go out, show out. There's a few websites that I go to that I can talk about in this video, as well as some pieces that I love. I love neutrals. I think neutrals just really bring out, and they're really in season now, so I'm just going to talk about a few items that I have by my side. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, and please subscribe at the bottom. I appreciate it. So this bag I got at DNKY, actually in the store, and it happened to be at an outlet, so I got this bag for a discounted rate, literally super discounted. I want to say it was in the 200s, and I think I got it for $20. $20. I'm gonna pause for a minute. Virtual tears. The next item I'm obsessed with is this sweatshirt. It has the nice tie. I did a little knot in it because I think that's really cute and really in. It is a cropped sweatshirt, which I love, and it's it's long sleeve, but it's not overly long or overly short. It's just it gives you some space, you know. It's kind of baggy here, which I like, so you can do a little off the shoulder little trend. The next item that I'm going to be talking about is these hoops. I don't know if you can tell. So these hoops I've been dying for. Okay, I forgot I bought them. I bought them at Claire's, which is kind of they have the cutest hoops, honestly. Let's be real, I buy hoops there because I lose hoops, so I buy them all there. These are mini hoops. I've seen on Alexis Ren. There's a lot of Instagram models that wear baby hoops, and at first I was I don't know about it, and then I started looking at them more, and I was like, okay. The next feature that I am obsessed with are these slippers. Guys, I'm dead. It's slippers. They are fuzzy, they are comfy, they just fit to your feet. Oh, they're so they're everything. And the thing is, I wear slippers out. You can wear these with jeans and a cute top and a jacket usually out, but they're so cute and they're comfortable. I feel the fuzzies are really in right now, really on trend. I got these at Victoria's Secret. I actually work at Victoria's Secret, so yes, they were free with a purchase at one point, I think in December. Next item that I love is this little Chloe bag, and it is just a little wristlet. It doesn't have the wristlet part, so it's kind of just a wallet bag. You can get little wristlets online, and I think it's perfect for going out. That I'm obsessed with are these shoes. I wear a size 7. That helps you guys, but I like that they're patterned, and they're perfect for spring or walking to class, because you want to be casual, you don't want to wear heels to class, it's uncomfortable, but these are super comfortable, super trendy in style. They're also that color, it's a mauve color that's really in and trendy right now, so I think it's really cool. Okay. So the next item I'm going to show you guys, sweater that I love. Literally in a and Kylie collection. Yes, I know what you're gonna say, it's kind of expensive, but you can find sale items. You guys, you have to search. You have to search clearance, you have to search sale. Even when I'm not interested in buying something, I low-key get on to random websites. I've gotten on Banana Republic, and I've gotten some really nice things under $10. It's really cropped at the neck, but it's also the same crop length in the back, which I find really interesting. And you show a little back, which is always sexual for sure. It has a really nice long sleeve. It's tight. It doesn't get really awkwardly loose on you, which I kind of hate when shirts do that. People have different baddie on a budget vibes. I do some research. I looked up some inspo before I filmed this video, and I was I have some of these pieces. So please comment below which product was your favorite. There's so many different things. You could really pull anything off. Everything the 90s is coming back, so you can really work it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and please subscribe to my channel and comment and if you're a girl's girl. I really thank you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Virtual hugs.